Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you exactly how you can add a PowerPoint presentation to your Wix website. If you've ever wanted to showcase your slides directly on your site, maybe for an online portfolio, a business pitch, or even a classroom resource, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to easily embed a PowerPoint file so your visitors can view or download it with just a click. So let's dive right in. First things first, head over to your Wix website design dashboard. This is your central workspace where everything starts when it comes to building out your site. If you're already familiar with Wix, you know this is where the magic happens. You can drag, drop, tweak, and arrange however you like. If it's your first time, don't worry. Take your time and explore the visuals in front of you. You'll find the layout tools and options on the left side. These allow you to add new features and manage your existing content. Next, you're going to want to select Add Elements. Think of it as opening your toolbox. Here, Wix gives you all kinds of building blocks for your site: text boxes, images, galleries, and more. Today, we're focusing on connecting a document, so you'll use part of these options. Simply look for a menu, usually titled Add or sometimes Plus, and click on it. A list pops up and you're looking for elements that allow you to share documents with your viewers. Now find and click on the button option and then choose the document button. This step is important. Rather than just pasting a link or uploading an image, this specific button is designed for sharing files like PDFs, Word docs, and yes, PowerPoints. When you select the document button, it creates a clickable link on your page so visitors can access your file directly. Imagine it as your digital handoff. The moment someone clicks your site, they get instant access to the resource you want to share. Once you've added the document button to your page, you'll notice there's an option to specify the document type. Go ahead and choose PPT or PowerPoint. Picking the right file type ensures your button works seamlessly and sets clear expectations for your visitors. For anyone uploading their resume, a lesson plan, or a business proposal, making sure your viewers know they'll get a PowerPoint file is super helpful. With the button type set, you're ready for the main event, uploading your PowerPoint file. Click to add your PowerPoint presentation. This might take a few moments, especially if your file has a lot of images or slides. Wix will prompt you to browse your computer, so just locate the PowerPoint you want to share. Don't worry if you're not sure which version to use. As long as it's either a PPT or PPTX, Wix can handle it. Once your file is uploaded, select it from your list of files, then hit Add to Page. And voila, the button is there, linked to your PowerPoint presentation. Now anyone who visits your site can easily click and view or download your slides. If you're building a business site, this is a professional way to share portfolios. For teachers and students, it's a quick way to get resources online. And that's it, your PowerPoint is now part of your Wix site. So simple, right? If you got stuck or something looked a little different, just remember, Wix updates their interface now and then, but these steps should get you really close. If you have any questions or want more tutorials like this, definitely drop a comment below. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more guides on making your website awesome. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.